Many people know the word IAS. What is the word? I'm trying to give the IAS. Even IAS. Two times A or one time A. That is our wish. I'm writing both the scenarios. That's infrastructure as a code. Infrastructure as a code. Maybe some cases we may go with single A only the better terminology. Infrastructure as a code. Which is infrastructure as a code? Now we're taking Terraform. Terraform. You may ask, without Terraform, can we create infrastructure? Yes, we can create. It is, in AWS, one tool is there. Anyone can guess it in AWS. We didn't discuss till their cloud formation. See, in AWS, cloud formation, one tool is there. By using cloud formation, we can easily create resources, but only that is specific to AWS. But compared to Terraform, some difficulties are there. If you keep on practicing many, maybe 3 to 4 months, cloud formation is also very easy. But compared to Terraform, little difficult. But in Terraform, what is the specialty? We'll try to see. See, Terraform is the open source. You know the word open source. Open source. Infrastructure. Infrastructure as a code tool. Even sometimes Terraform is an agnostic, agnostic tool. Agnostic tool means not specific to, not specific to a single cloud. Single cloud. What is the specialty? See, for having more than 100 clouds, on all the 100 clouds, we can create a resource by using Terraform. By using Terraform. But in Terraform, by using Terraform, what is the specialty? We can create a resource. We can create a resource dynamically, and we can create a resource with an automation. Creating creating a resource with automation. With automation means just like a Jenkins pipeline. Jenkins pipeline, some people know, right? Jenkins pipeline. Same similar activity we will do. There were following HCL. How many of you know the word HCL? HashiCorp configuration language. HashiCorp configuration language. By using HashiCorp configuration language, by using HashiCorp configuration language, we can create Terraform. But Terraform people, they provide documentation that is wonderful and also powerful, very easy to understand. Everything is available. Everything is available. Even no need to go anywhere. No need to search online also. No need to search online also. That much of way they provided which one? That is the Terraform documentation. We'll see quickly. We may understand. See. Suppose I may try to give one clarity for you. Suppose if you want to create one VPC, assume. Now what to do? Anyone can guide me. If you want to create one VPC in AWS, generally what are the steps? Anyone? Anyone who's to know VPC, try to tell me what to do. I want to create manual. First, what shall I do? Without entering into an account, can I create VPC? Anyone can respond at least my questions. Try to give me the answer.
No,
No. First, I need to log in with account idea. Are you agree with me? Login with at least you must go for login. Step one. Log login. Login. Step 2, tell me my anyone. What is the step 2? Step 2, what will you do? There we need to search for resource, right?
Availability.
Search for VPC. Once it is opened, automatically that resource will open, right? What is the step T? Step 3. In step 3, we are creating one VPC, one VPC. If you are creating VPC, you need to provide what you need to provide? VPC name.
Subnet.
VPC name. Are you agree with me? At least you need to provide only VPC. Don't think about at least subnet. My question is, you need to create VPC. See, only VPC name have you provide? Any other thing you need to provide? Rajesh, you try to give me the answer. Maybe through chat window also, no problem. If I give VPC, automatically it will create VPC, or I need to provide VPC CAD or block range. Yes or no? Anyone respond?
Yes, sir. CIDR.
I must to provide. Are you agree with my must? Here is I am taking must means mandatory. Mandatory. Here, my intention is in AWS, whatever it is mandatory, those things we need to specify in Terraform, remaining all are optional arguments. I'm giving the technical word I'm using now. In Terraform, in Terraform, we need to use we need to use arguments, arguments and attributes. I need to clarify attributes. Slowly we can understand arguments and attributes. See, I think you know JSON language. You know, right? JSON. At least tell me what is JSON? JavaScript object notation. My morning class, evening class, 98% similar activities. But coding is different. If you practice it, both are you may be perfect in both the areas. See, if you want to work within JSON, there you may open it like this. There you may do like this. This is the way you can implement like that. You can write it. What does it mean? If you are using in JSON, only two things we can apply. I said somewhere, right? In JSON, if you are using curly brace open, if you're using curly brace close, what does it mean, ma? Quickly respond. If you use like this, what does it mean? At least anyone? What it represent? What it represent? Some people may know little bit. What, Kavya? It represents
Command.
an object. It represents, anyone? What does it mean, ma? List or an array? List and array. Today morning also we did, right? Today morning also we did. See, somewhere I use like this containers. Containers. Colon after that, what I did? Anyone can respond? There are two spaces, hyphen, name I use, right? Name, maybe. Something XYZ. After that I use assume image. Image. For in this scenario, I am giving ABC. Even here also I am giving hyphen. Today concept. For today concept, I am giving like this. Same thing. We can write here. Observe. How can I write this? See, containers, containers, there, containers, colon, square bracket, square bracket, here is xy or else I'm specifying list type, right? List type. There it is nothing but map type. It is nothing but map. Why I'm telling to map means their name is there, name, name, colon, or name is equal to xyz comma, again image is equal to their ABC. Is it understandable or not? This is the list only. This is the list of items, but it is represented in map represented. Represented in map. Maybe sometimes I may go with like this. Maybe FRUITS, fruits. Now tell me, any at least two, three names. Tell me. Hyphen oranges. Hyphen apples. Apples. Hyphen grapes. GRAPS. Same thing we are representing like this. Here see fruits fruits is equal to square bracket oranges comma appls comma gra. Both are valid. In Ansible also similar activity. In JSON also similar activity. But HCL not following all these languages. HCL doesn't know XML or try to understand. HCL doesn't follow XML. HCL doesn't follow JSON. HCL doesn't follow even ML also. But HCL following HCL language. HashiCorp configuration language. But HCL also very, very simple, very, very easy. Very, very simple, very, very easy. How to understand? We'll try it now. We will try it now. I think someone is trying to join. Anyone is missing? No, right? Good. Now see, for your understanding purpose, what I am trying to do is I am opening VS Code. If you are having VS Code, try to open it. If you are anyone facing problem, try to interact with me. In your system, if you are sitting in front of your computer, try to open Visual Studio Code step 1. If anyone is facing difficulty, please try to intimate me. I am not having VS Code, no problem. Please let me know. Even try to share your screen. I may guide you. You may try to implement it. Now, my question is once it is open, what will you do? Try to create a new file. Try to create a new file. There, see, I'm trying to save, I'm trying to create file, new file, new file. If I am working with Kubernetes, what is the extension, file extension? Morning only we did, right? Anyone can tell me? If I want to work with Kubernetes, what is the file extension? That must be
YAML.
either
YAML.
YAML. YAML
Yeah.
good. Now,
Yeah.
now name is any name. Name is any name. Here see, there also name is any name. There name is any name. You must give TF. Here, very first point in Terraform, you need to remember extension should be, extension must be .tf. Am I provided TF or not? They are present. That is our first primary duty. See, where it is saving, that is our wish. For our clarity, what I am trying to do is I am going to save in C drive, or maybe tell me any one drive. That is your wish. Here in my system, three drives are there. Your wish, anyone can talk to me. C, D, E, your wish. Which drive shall I take? Any one drive. For that, only I am giving clarity. Some people may have a doubt. On which drive shall I create? On any drive we can create. Shall I go with CRDRE?
Yes, sir.
E. Even within E, I am creating new folder. I am creating new folder. See, new folder. The folder name is maybe our name with the Terraform. Maybe I am giving Madhu hyphen Terraform. Terraform. That is our wish. Within Madhu Terraform, I am trying to save that main.tf. That main.tf. I think already given extension tf ma extension tf, or else if you have doubt, already given all files is there, right? If all files is there means it is taking properly. If .txt is there, it will take automatically .txt. But anyway, I am trying to create file. We'll check it. Really .tf got it or not? Check it there. .tf extension was there or not? Check and tell me. Yes or no? See, main.tf. Here, here in Terraform, if you want to work with, very first one is PRO. See, once I try to type P or something, PRO, am I getting intelligence? You and me having intelligence. See, my laptop cannot think snake comes, but you can identify, I can identify, you can react, I can react. But our laptop can react with the intelligence. It can recognize automatically predefined words. Who's related? This HashiCorp configuration language. I need to set it up. I'll tell you how to set it up. You know it. See what it is that here. See, I'm clicking there. See what it is saying. This is the provider block. Terms are very important. Provider block. Now, here you want to work with AWS or you want to work with Azure, you want to work with GCP here, please respond. We are learning AWS with DevOps or maybe Azure with DevOps.
AWS with DevOps.
AWS. Simply I am giving AWS. See, someone may ask, no, no, sir, I want Azure. You try to give Azure, no problem. But you need to have Azure account, right? Microsoft account. Without Azure, you can't create resource. Are you understanding or not? See, provider name, then provider block. Provider name, provider block. See, in total Terraform, provider should know only three arguments. I'm giving clear clarification. Provider should know only three arguments. One is the region, RE. Is it providing or not? See, I know I started, or else I am giving LAK. It may ask, what is LAK? That is your name. I don't know your name. I'm not having that intelligence. But my intelligence is what? Related to provider. What provider knows, what provider requires, those arguments only it will know. I'll show you that also. What is the first one? RE region. Sir, I'm clicking region. Next. There you need to give double quotation. In the same way, I may write something. Now access key. Access key. Again double quotation. In the same way, secret key. Secret key. See, our Terraform provider should require only these three arguments, or else, if you may ask, profile also. Profile. I may clarify all these things. Till now, everybody got it or not? Till now, everybody understanding? This is nothing but provider block. See, automatically intelligence is providing. What it is providing? After provider block, what it is? Provider block. You must remember provider block. This is the provider block name. This is the provider name. Which provider I am using? AWS. You may ask me. These are all predefined. 100% everything is predefined. You must memorize. Suppose tomorrow, if I may ask how to define provider means, you need to specify. You need you must write provider block, then provider name. It requires a region, access key, secret key, or else provider. Today I may use maybe access key, secret key. Second for a second resource, I may use profile. I may use profile. Access key, secret key is writing, not the industry standard. Profile writing is the industry standard. You may ask why it is not the industry standard. If I push it into GitHub, automatically my access key, secret key will go. Please try to remember their credentials, their sensitive data. You should not move to what is that? Uh, GitHub. GitHub. You should not move to repository. That is the first point you need to know. Till now clear? Till now clear? Region. In AWS, multiple regions are there. Srinath Garu, tell me multiple regions. Tell me three region names at least, whatever you know. I'm asking just,
US East,
yeah, US East
AP
one,
South,
right?
AP South.
US,
Yeah,
AP South one, like that.
yeah.
See, why I'm asking like this in the sense, if you create your own account, 33 plus regions are there. Our requirement is, see, I may ask you, Srinath Garu, have you purchased any one plot? Okay, I am having plot in Tirupati. I may ask, in Tirupati town is there, in Tirupati rural is there, in Tirupati urban is there, maybe in which location? You need to specify, right? In the same way, you must tell where you want to create a resource. Now quickly respond which region. Shall we go with any one region? Maybe we may change in future. Region AP, AP, South, South one. Once if you try it, there only it will create. What is the access key? What is the secret key? Don't go for account access key, secret key. That is not the industry standard. Why? Once you theft, someone theft your account access key, secret key, very complex to handle. For that, you need to create one IAM user. Through IAM user only, you need to get access key, secret key. Already you know IAM, right? Everybody know it, I think. How to enter into that? Click on here. Here I am going to account. Quickly tell me. I want to get one. I want to create one account. Anyone guide me? I think both are small W, one capital, one small. Anyone? Both are small. All are small only, or any caps is there? I think. Maybe check it. Is it valid or not? Yeah, it is valid. Good. Guide me here. I need to create one user with admin credentials. Anyone can quickly guide me? I don't know. I forgot. I want to create one IAM user with admin credentials. What to do? Where should I click?
Go to AAM side.
Yeah, click on
IAM.
IAM. Yeah, good. Within the IAM, in the left side pane,
Yeah.
click on
Yes, yes.
users.
Yeah.
Or agree with
User.
me? Yes.
Yes.
What is the username? Maybe username is terraform. I need to take username is terraform user. Shall I go with that? Create user.
Yeah.
The username is terraform. I'm taking like that. Terraform. What to do? Where provider provide user access with. I want to create IAM user. There one password is. Now even see the password. Now I am not giving. I am not changing. Once again credentials. Now shall I click on next? Here you need to tell. I want to. I want to assign admin credentials. How can I assign admin credentials? Anyone tell me? Where should I click? Where should I click?
Attach first.
There. Attach policy directly. Are you
Access
agree
key.
with me?
Directly.
Uh, what to do? There's the administrator access. Just you need to select, that's all. Automatically it will assign. Automatically it will assign. Now what to do? Go to next. Now again going to create user. See, user got created. Whenever user got created, see there once you enter, click on user or view users. There continue. Our username is within the users. There we're having Terraform user. Yeah, click on here. Click on here. There see security credentials. Security credentials. Click on here. There just we're having access key. Till now, any access key, secret key? Their system is showing access key 0. Access key 0. You know how to create it. Where should I click? Create access
Create
key.
app.
Either. Yeah. And now what to do? Now what to do? What is the first option? Command line interface. Command
Then
line interface.
interface.
Yes, click on this. Now going to confirm. Click on next. Give the name. Maybe key one. Key one. Anyone name. Create. Now see, you need to download, or maybe I'm not downloading. I'm not downloading. See, I'm copying this. I'm copying. I'm copying. For your clarity, I may do two ways. I may do two ways. What to do? Going to Windows key or CMD, please observe. In real time also, we may follow same scenario. There, AWS configure. I think many people know this one, right? AWS configure. Why do you use AWS configure? At least anyone can guide me. When do you go for AWS configure? Answer is very simple. If you want to configure access key, secret key on your CLI, it is the command line interface. Command line interface. See, it is asking now control V. Am I applied or not? Yes. Now somewhere I try to store because I need to use right once again. Notepad. Control. See, unfortunately, someone photocopied, they are trying to use. Maybe once my class is over, I may remove my Terraform user. Is there any problem for me? No. If I provide my account credentials, maybe someone hacked, someone may take a photo, they may utilize. I can't recognize. For that only I am doing such activity. Now it is expecting what? Secret key, right? It is expecting secret key. See, there I am copying secret key. There I am trying to apply here secret key first. There control V. Yes, enter. Now what is asking? US East one. Now where should I want to create my resource? AP South one, right? AP South one. Here whatever it is, that is not a problem. Default output format is JSON only. I'm leaving. See, I'm saving that secret key. Secret key. Control V. Now I may use this one. Now where should I use? You know, right? You know, somewhere I written right. Control C. Where is my code? Please observe. Shall I add this? Yes. What to take? This is the secret key. This is the secret key. Control C. Control V. I'm not taking profile. See, if you don't want to set, you need to go for hash. Hash is the comment line. Hash is the comment. Now, till now, is there anybody facing any difficulty? Please respond, or else I may remove. At least some people may have a confusion. Till now, what I specified, provider block, that provider name, that provider block contain. This is the left hand side is the key, right hand side is the value. But according to Terraform, left hand side keys are nothing but arguments. This is the argument 1, this is the argument 2, this is the argument 3. This is the you can consider as a value or you can consider as an attribute. In this scenario, there is no attribute till now. These are the different values. I passed statically. I passed. In future, we may pass dynamically. In future, we may pass dynamically. If anyone facing difficult, ask me, or else I am moving to creating one resource. Creating one resource. Now, there I am writing code. Again, I may go and manually apply it. Again, I am coming to here. But anyway, first I am writing. See, if you want to create a resource in AWS, first you need to write resource. That is the specialty of Terraform SCL. Whatever the name you are pronouncing, same keywords they given. Resource. Which resource you want to create? Anyone can quickly respond. Already we discussed, right? You need to create one VPC. VPC. Got it or not? See, VPC belongs to AWS or VPC belongs to Azure or VPC belongs to GCP. Only VPC belongs to, the term VPC belongs to AWS. That's
AWS.
why AWS underscore VPC. See, this is the resource block. Once again, try to understand. This is the resource block. What is this? Resource name. Please understand, resource is the predefined keyword, resource block is the predefined keyword, resource name is also predefined keyword. Only this name is the local name. This name I'm giving Madhu VPC. Madhu underscore VPC. Whatever the name you can take it according to our project, according to our project, maybe you may take your company name also. But some meaningful names you may follow. What are the meaningful names? See, my underscore, my, my underscore VPC like my underscore VPC like that we may follow. Again, you may ask me. In resource, what is the resource name? This is the resource block I said, right? This is the resource name. This resource name must follow some arguments. I'll show you after this. What are the arguments? I may go with, it is the CADR block, CADR block. Which CADR block you want to apply? Which CADR block? Any one CADR block, I may give 6.7.0.0 by 16. By 16, I am trying to use this. See, if you know little bit knowledge in AWS, how to create VPC manually, same rules and regulations were followed. Some people may ask, sir, I am not able to understand Terraform. That means what? You don't know AWS. Really, if you know little bit AWS, 100%, we can easily understand about Terraform. Now, for, for suppose if I am creating VPC, I need to specify VPC name, right? Naming convention. For this, here you need to specify tags. You need to specify tags is equal to open curly brace and closing curly brace. Their name. What is the name you need to specify? Their my underscore VPs. Till now, anyone facing any difficulty? Same thing. I may apply manually. I may remove it. I may apply. I may apply with. I may apply with this Terraform configuration file. Terraform configuration file. There in Kubernetes terms I am using. In Kubernetes manifest file. Those are YML files. Those are YML files. Here see in Terraform we need to write. I'm giving numbering their configuration files. Configuration files is nothing but .tf. Configuration files are nothing but .tf files. Manifest files are nothing but .yml files. I hope you got the clarity. Now I may go quickly apply. That is manual implementation. Again, I'm coming to that with the help of code representative. Anyway, I saved, right? Anyway, am I saved or not? Till now I didn't save. I may go for Control S. Control S. Where it is saved, ma? In E drive, Madhu Terraform. What is the file name? Main.tf. Shall we go and check it? Shall we go and check it? There it is available or not. In E drive, CD Madhu Terraform. METH, right? Madhu Terra. Now check it dir. Main.tf was available or not? Already is there or not? You need to check such code is there or not. Notepad main.tf. Notepad main.tf. Now we need to check this code is proper or not. In Terraform, now people may understand. If I type Terraform, even if I type Java, what I may get it? One flow I may get it, right? If I apply Java C, I may get one flow, right? What does it mean? If I give Java, I may get something. If I give Java C, something I am getting. What does it mean? Based on that, what have you understood? Anyone? I'm asking at least question, try to tell me. Java software is there or not? Without Java software, can I run a command? It may work or not. Without Java software, if I give Java, that flow may come or not.
Not.
Not come. Even though sometimes if install Java, path is not setted, again you may not get flow. Here, what does it mean? Oh, software got installed, path got setted. Same thing, same way. If I type Terraform, I may show you everything bit by bit, but I am giving clarity. Terraform. Check it. Am I getting flow right? If I am getting flow means, oh, Terraform is installed. Even if required, path also setted. Path also setted. Now see in Terraform, how Terraform is easy, how Terraform is simple. See, they given main commands. In every area, company also 90% using main commands only. Other commands rarely they may use. In company, what is the first command they may use? Main command, Terraform init. Terraform is the main command. These are the subcommands. These are the subcommands. See, prepare your working directory for other commands. Prepare your working directory for other. See, our working directory name is what? There, I think Madhu, something is there, right? Madhu Terraform. This is the working directory. Working directory. Here, what I am to do? Terraform init. It is initializing provider plugins. In interview, they may ask you, if I use Terraform init, what happens? Our answer should be initializing provider plugin. Git init. How many of you know the meaning and purpose of git init? Quickly respond. Gents, anyone tell me? If I use git init, what happens? If I use git init, what happens? Even if you don't know, once again I may apply it, I may show you, again I may ask you. What is your answer, ma? Girls? Initializing an empty Git repository. Or agree with me? Once you type Git in it, what it may tell? Hey, I'm initializing an empty Git repository. An empty Git repository. In the same way, Terraform init. See, Terraform has been successfully initialized. What does it mean? What does it mean? See, dir I'm giving. See, dot terraform got created or not? This is one folder, ma. Dot terraform got created. Yes or no? Yes. I'm entering into that cd dot terra. See, dir. What it is having? Providers. In my code, provider block was there or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which provider I configured in my code? Which provider? cd.
AWS.
See, you may see, ma. You may see that. You may see that cd registry dir. Now cd HashiCorp. At least you may get the clarity. See what it is showing. Anyone observe? Somewhere name is showing, right? Which name have
AWS.
you specified? AWS only. Even I am entering cd AWS. Now see dir version ma. Our configuration version. Our configuration version. See even Terraform hyphen v. I may try it. What it is showing? There, what it is showing, or else I may go for some other way. I may show you if it is not visible here. I may show you other way. Don't worry. There, see in my code. In my code, I may come back. If I want to show you, cd dot dot cd dot dot cd dot dot even cd dot dot. Now dir. I want to show you that version, right? cd observer. Their file notepad dot terraform dot lo. Now observe here. See this one that you have seen. There, see my line. As somewhere I got selected, right? One line. 5 dot. This is the major version. This is the minor version. This is the major. This is the minor. This is the patch version. Today 0, tomorrow maybe 1, day after tomorrow maybe 2. They keep on changing, ma. Maybe once Maybe I may take nearly 15 to 16 classes, right? Maybe if you see, maybe once our batch is, maybe at the time of completion, you may see 5.49, 5.50, 50 like that. Is it clear for you? Is the versioning? Yes or no? No. Only what it did, initializing terraform in it. It is downloading. It is downloading AWS related configuration files. Configuration file. Step one is clear. Now see, again I am giving terraform. At least you need to know terraform. Now see, this is the life cycle. In life cycle, main commands, right? First you need to apply init. What is the second command, ma? Validate. See, in interview, they're asking if you use Terraform validate, what happens? You need to tell only these three words, ma. It will check configuration is valid or not. It will check your configuration is valid or not. We'll check it, ma. I'll show you configuration whether it is valid or not. How can I check it? See, Terraform, just validate. See, success, the configuration is valid. Madhuvani garu may ask me, no. I don't want to see success. I want to see failure. I want to see failure. Sir, DAR, you need to see notepad, main.tf, main.tf. Sir, we need to here, I am not using equal to, there I am using colon assume. Actually, what I need to specify? My in Terraform again blindly remember left hand side key, right hand side value, middle equal to sign. In Kubernetes, what is the middle value? Anyone quickly? What is the middle value?
Colon.
Colon. Very good. Colon is the right answer. Got it or not? Now there I specified colon. Maybe assume I know very well about Kubernetes. I forgot to give equal to sign here. Maybe I specified colon. Whatever Terraform will say. Now try to I go for Terraform validate. Now what it is saying, observe, clearly giving an argument or understanding or not. An argument or block definition is required here. To set an argument, use the equals to sign. Now, even if I don't know anything, my intelligence is giving clear indication or not. Whether you know the subject, whether you don't know the subject, they specify like that. If you do something mistake, it will give the guidance. So introduce the argument value. What it is saying, even see, eighth line problem. What was the problem? Wherever colon is there, in that area, what you need to specify? But assume I may brand new person, brand new learner. What I may do? I may do again silly mistake. What to do? I'll tell you. They are not bad. Their system is giving double quotation equal to double quotation, right? What I am trying to do? I don't know system given. Maybe assume I don't know what to work, what to do. I am giving like this. Double quotation equal to double quotation. What it will say, we'll check it. Close it. Yes. Now again recheck. Terraform validate. Again what it is saying, their tags is equal to something. Next, a block definition must have block content delimited by open curly brace and closing. Because of our intelligence, our Terraform may not understanding why using these many double quotations. Sentence I'm writing, see, my name is Lakshmi. But this is the right term. But I am giving like this. My name is, there I am giving, this is the wrong sentence now. Once you start double quotation, you must end with the double quotation. Why are you starting? Why are you ending? Again, why are you starting? Why are you ending? This is not the proper sentence formation. Same way here we are having problem. How to rectify? You know that slowly we can understand. Here, even though that given that is the meaning is this is the technical meaning. Oh, you need to use equal to. This is the highlighted. This is the highlighted. Now everything is fine. Now see, but industry standard we may follow. There knowingly unknowingly I am giving like this. This is I am specifying like this. There I am specifying like even here also I specify like this is the bad programming practice, but anyway I did like this. At that time, if you have the doubt, you need to follow Terraform, Terraform, FMT. This is the entire question. Once you press enter, what does it mean? You are asking to Terraform, you need to provide proper format. You need to proper format. What it is saying, hey, in main.tf format is not good. I formatted properly. Now what I am trying to do, I may go for notepad, main.tf. Now observe what happened. System is formatted properly or not? Check it. Region equal to clearly. Equal to check it anyone? Even generally, I may type like this. Even I type like this only in my system. I type like this. Here, access key, secret key is good. Here, maybe I may type like this also. I don't know what to do, how to do. May return my own way. But sometimes that coding standard means alignment. Alignment is not good. Only Terraform FMT, what it will do? Anyone can tell me? Terraform format, what it will do? It will do the proper formatting. Proper formatting means alignment. Good alignment. Now check it once again. Again, it is realign. Realign. Is it properly aligned or not? That is the interview question. But how they asked in the sense, Terraform format. If you want to apply Terraform formatting, what is the command? Don't tell Terraform format. You must tell Terraform FMT. That is the right answer. Now till now, good. I think two commands are over. What are the two commands we applied till now? Anyone can tell me? What are the two commands we applied? One is the,
Terraform init and Terraform validate.
yeah, good. Now tell me, what is the use of Terraform init quickly? Init, what is the use? What is the use of validate? Validate. But if you use Terraform
Init
init, what happens? Initialize the
initialize the
working directory.
provider.
Initialize the provider plugin. Initialize the provider plugin. If you use validate,
Configuration is valid.
configuration is valid or not. Now, remaining three keywords are there. Anyone can guide me? What are the keywords? Terraform, plan,
Plan and
apply,
apply,
and
destroy.
destroy. Today, everyone try to remember, try to memorize, try to mug up these five keywords. These five keywords. See, in interview, they may ask you if I want to apply Terraform plan. What is the Terraform life cycle commands? You need to specify Terraform init, Terraform validate, Terraform plan, Terraform apply, Terraform destroy. Technical word is heading is Terraform plan. But people, I asked one or two persons how to specify Terraform plan, even they are working employees. They told me, you try to apply Terraform plan only. Headline is Terraform, how to work with Terraform plan in the sense you must specify Terraform init, Terraform validate, Terraform plan, Terraform apply, Terraform destroy. You may ask me, if I use Terraform plan, what happens? We'll see that. We'll try to understand. I may give my own meaning. Terraform, just I am giving Terraform. Terraform. Now see it here. What it specified. If you apply Terraform, just plan. Show changes required by the current configuration. Just the plan will show the changes required by the current configuration. You know configuration, right? I'll show you. See, just now, here, I want to try to tell you one thing. I want to try to tell you one thing. What I am trying to tell you, here I'm going. This is I written DAR, right? This is our file, right? This is our file. This is the desired one. Whatever it is having, this is the desired. Once again, I'm telling configuration file. This is configuration file or not? At least respond. Is it configuration file or manifest file? Is it
Configuration.
configuration file? I am showing you once again. Whatever the configuration file contain, this is the desired resource. Desired in the sense what will be created created in the AWS file. What it will be or what will be created in the AWS file. But till now not created. It will create future. This is nothing but desired one. Desired one. One more thing, Terraform plan will provide. Plan will provide. This is also interview question. Plan will provide binary file. Binary file. Plan will two things we need to remember. Which purpose we can use Terraform plan? It will be created in the AWS script. What it will provide? Plan will provide binary file. I may show you. Here, see, I'm trying to give Terraform plan. Terraform plan. See what it will be. Desired one. Desired one. See, 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. See, somewhere you may see green plus. Are you able to view green plus signs? Have you recognized or not? Green plus signs. See which resource it is able to create in future. AWS underscore VPC. What is the local name? My VPC. What is theme? I specified only CADR block. Did I specify any ARN name? Amazon resource name? No. Known after apply. Known after apply means once you apply Terraform apply command, then only I can take my own. Till now, I don't know. Till now, what you specified, this one only you specified. Even enable DNS hostname, true. Whatever it is showing, this one only. Here you may ask me, did you specify this true, sir? No. Default value is true. Are understanding? Right. What I specified, even see? Instance tenancy. How many of you know the meaning of instance tenancy? Quickly respond. Some people, you know, little bit AWS, right? What is the tenancy? Instance tenancy. One is the default. What is the second one? Dedicated. Default dedicated. If you apply dedicated, you need to pay more. Got it or not? Like that. It is taking default one only, not dedicated one. Now one more thing. See what are the tag names, ma? What are the tags? Name is my BPC. Name is my BPC. What it will do? It will. How many resources he is trying to add in my AWS cloud? How many resources? One resource. Why it is showing only one resource? Anyone can guide me? Why it is showing only one resource? I am trying to create only one, right?
Yes.
Quickly, I may go there. I may try to modify small thing, ma. I may try to show you small. Now enter it. Now notepad, open it. Notepad, open it. For your clarity, what I am trying to do is I am copy pasting one more resource. Control C, then Control V. Now this is my VPC 1. For your clarity, this is my VPC 2, ma. This is my VPC 1. Here also my VPC 2. Now one more area I need to change. Please quickly respond. There
CADR block.
6.7 CADR block also, maybe 7.6 my intention. 7.6. 7.6. Everything is fine, right? I'm trying to close this. Now I'm trying to apply Terraform plan. Now you may get two to add. Or agree with me? Like that, you may create n number of resources. N number of resources. Now see, you didn't use the out option. Shall I go and use it? I may try to use it now. There I may use out. I told something. It will be, I said, and also it may create binary file, I said, right? Out space. I'm giving RAMYA Ramya dot plan or Ramya dot OUT out. There, check it here to perform execution. Okay, I know it. We'll discuss later this thing. There, check it. Somewhere something you create, it got created, right? Anyone can respond it. Is it created or not? Say, check
Yes,
it.
it's created.
Yes, created. I'm trying to open it, ma. Notepad. Ramya data. If I press enter, you may see look like Greek and Latin. This is the binary code. This is the binary code. Who knows? Terraform knows. Who doesn't know? Humans cannot readable. Humans cannot understandable. I hope everybody got it or not. Is it clear for you? When it is very
Yes, sir.
useful, such files are where it is useful. Unfortunately, my state file got deleted. I may utilize this one. Maybe in future classes you may understand. Now quickly, I may create a resource. I may create a resource. Now what I am trying to do? Terraform, apply. See, if I press enter, see, it may ask you, do you want to perform these actions? What does it mean? Hey, you asked me to create a resource. Shall I go and create it? Where it will create? On the cloud, on the cloud. You must give confirmation. Now I am giving confirmation. Once if I give confirmation, how many VPCs got created? Shall we go and check it? Yes, we are going and check it. How to check it? We are going to our account. We need to go to VPC. There you type VPC. VPC. What is the region? Anyone can quickly respond? Region
AP
name.
South 1.
AP South 1. There I am in North Virginia. I am going to AP South 1. AP South. Where is AP South? Mumbai. AP South 1. Now see there in VPCs. I hear how many VPCs are showing? 3. What is the default one? Just now we got created. Are you able to view or not? Are you able to view or not? Even see the CADR block 6.71, 7.6, one more. 6.71, 7.6, one more. Now, what is the power of Terraform means? See, Terraform destroy. Terraform destroy. Just enter it. Within seconds, it may destroy it. See what it is saying. Not showing 0 to add, not showing 0 to change, 2 to destroy. Now observe here somewhere a red color minus. Have you recognized the red color minus? What does it mean? Red means danger, right? Are you agree with me? It is saying, hey, I try to remove whatever I created, all will be removed. All will be removed. Now, what to do? I need to give confirmation. It is expecting my confirmation. Yes, I give. Again, I am going to my account, ma. Again, I am going to my account. Now, refresh it. Without refreshing, you may feel, oh, already I am having. Now, check it. Is it visible for you?
No, sir.
No. The same thing will go and apply manually. Then only you will get the clarity. Why I am going to manual representation? Now you can understand clearly. Click on create. VPC only. See name tag. Now clearly observe, very easy to remember. Somewhere I written in my terraform, which one I written ma? Somewhere I'm selecting ma. Which one I written? Capital name I written or small name I written?
Captain.
Capital name. Capital name. Have you got the clarity? Even that is optional. Even that is optional. In my terraform also that is optional. I may go and do once. I may go on one more thing. One more thing. Sir, see, this is the CADR block. This is the CADR block. Which CADR block? IPv4 CADR. IPv4 CADR. See the name. What I typed there? CADR block. Same similar names am I using or not? Similar names am I using or not? CADR underscore block underscore block. That is the block rate. That is the block rate. Now I am going to Terraform documentation. You may get the clarity. In my Terraform documentation, now try to understand. Yeah, I'm going to open new tab. There AWS underscore VPC Terraform. See how the document will be. See somewhere AWS. Ma, you don't click this type of document, ma. The best one is what? You must have resource. Here also resource is there good. Either this one or this one, both are valid. Anyway, you are click. I am clicking. Now scroll down, scroll down. See, whatever I written manually, same look and feel is there or not? Check it and tell me. Anyone can quickly respond. Even instance tenancy default, resource AWS underscore VPC. Even whether you know the knowledge, you don't know the knowledge, you can work on Terraform very simple, very easily. But slowly you can understand. There somewhere arguments. Shall I click on argument? We discussed, right? Which are arguments here? Yeah, you try to tell me. Within this example, my cursor is, I am selecting here. What are the arguments? Quickly respond here. How many arguments are there written in here? What are the arguments? CADR block is the argument or not? Okay, you don't know. You don't know, assume. 1 minute, you don't know. Are you there or not? At least there, right? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I am clicking arguments. See CADR block, even CADR block optional. Instance tenancy optional. There, I clicked on resource only, right? I clicked on resource only, right? One step back. One step back. Resource. Now, same thing. Sir, I'm going to argument reference. Argument reference. Yeah, optional. No problem. Is there any mandatory one? Is there any mandatory one? Here in this scenario, there is no mandatory one. But I'm trying to show you one thing. What I'm trying to show you there, I may go with AWS underscore instance. AWS underscore instance. Terraform. AWS underscore instance. That there I'm going with argument reference. There all are optional or any mandatory one is there. I am trying to ask. In this, slowly check one by one. Slowly check one by one. Instance type. They given in optional.
Yes, sir.
VP said, I'm not selecting proper documentation. That's what I told. The AWS instance Terraform, the resource, the instance Terraform has special code. AWS underscore VPC, not VPC, right? See Terraform, AWS underscore instance. Okay, and where is the arguments? Argument reference. Argument reference. Yeah, in new documentation, everything converted to optional na. In new documentation, they changed it a little bit, but some areas I may show you tomorrow. There mandatory is that we must specify that. We must specify that. I am searching for that. Even it is showing everything is optional, right? Everything is optional. Okay, I'll gather it. I'll show you. Okay, have you understood little bit? What is the main purpose of Terraform? We can create a resource. We can create a resource. Generally, humans can create manual, but here we can create with the help of Terraform. We can create a resource automatically. We can resource dynamically. Simply, we can go with automation. Only for automation purpose, we are using Terraform. One more thing, here we can easily create, we can easily destroy it. See, if you want to create a VPC, subnets, and route tables, maybe NAT gateway, all these things, if you want to create it manually, it will take nearly half an hour. I may create once again manually, again half an hour. I need to create on 10 regions. But here we can create on 10 regions at a time. Within 2 minutes, we can create on 10 regions parallelly also. That much of facilities are available. Anyway, remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow. Today, what we have seen, how to create a resource, how to destroy a resource, how to create a resource, how to destroy a resource. If any doubt is there, ask me, or else we can wind the session. Tomorrow, I may show you how to install it, again, how to configure it. If anyone, maybe there you have the curiosity, you want to work on today, you may try to ping me. I may guide you. You may try to install on your system. Thank you. Anyone facing any difficulty? No, right? Okay, Rajesh. After this, you try to call me. స్పీడ్గా చెప్పినట్టు ఉండిందరా స్పీడ్గా
ఏడవ సెకండ్లో